Alright, we have today Introductory Researching, a brief introduction to research skills for pen testing. Task number 1, Introduction. Without doubt, the ability to research effectively is the most important quality for a hacker to have. Yes, that's very true. By its very nature, hacking requires a vast knowledge base, because how are you supposed to break into something if you don't know how it works? The thing is, no one knows everything. Everyone, professional or amateur, experienced or totally new to the subject, will encounter problems which they don't automatically know how to solve. This is where research comes in, as in the real world you can't ever expect to simply be handed the answer to your questions. As your experience level increases, you will find that the things you're researching scale in their difficulty accordingly. However, in the field of information security, there will never come a point where you don't need to look things up. This room will serve as a brief overview of some of the most important resources available to you and will hopefully aid you in the process of building a research methodology that works for you. We will be looking at the following topics: an example of research question, vulnerability searching tools, and Linux manual pages. Let's begin. Note: answer dumb write-ups submitted for this room will not be accepted. The aim of these questions is to encourage research. Answered dumbs do nothing other than invalidate the point of the room and are strongly condemned. Answer the questions below. Read the introduction, the best kind of questions.